Hello everyone, how are you all? Your lesson 4 is going on and you are on page number 42. Till now, I have told you about animals classification. As animals eat different types of food, so they are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Animals have different types of body covering. So they have feathers, fur and different types of skin. As where the animals live, they have different characteristics. So now I am going to tell you about animals have unique types of movement. So how animals can move? Some animals have wings, some animals have legs to move and some have fins. Now which animal has wings? So birds have wings to fly. Can you fly? If you flap your arms, can you fly? No. Why? Because your bones are not light. Birds of bones of birds are light and from inside bones are hollow. So birds will be so that bird become light and can move and can fly easily. Fishes have fins so that fish can move by fins. So you can see where are fins. So fins, they are the fins of fishes. So fins help to fish move. Next one is penguins. So penguins have flippers. They are called flippers. Dolphins, penguins and seal, they have flippers to move. Why can birds fly when they flap their wings? But we can't when we flap our arms. This is the reason because the bones of bird are light, so that birds become light and they have wings also. Now humans use their legs to move from place to place. We are using our legs from place to place. To move from place to place, we use our legs. Some other animals such as dog, cat, horses and cows also use their legs to move. You can see this is a cow and cow is using legs. Dogs, cats and cows move from place to place using their forelegs. Monkeys move from place to place using their arms and legs. How can monkey move? Monkeys move from place to place using their arms and legs. Some animals use all four limbs to move while others move on only two legs. So animals can move by limbs, all four, and some can move by two legs, known as hind limbs. They use their four limbs for their other purposes, as kangaroo use their two legs to move. And other animals also use their two legs to move and other for other purposes. Limbs means legs. So forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs front and hind limbs back. Now I am going to tell you about movement using entire body. So animals move by their entire body. Those have not legs, as earthworm move by whole body. So some animals use their whole body when they move. Slender glass lizard. You can see picture, snake and leech. They move by their legs or whole body. They can move by their whole body because they don't have legs. So the body help to move from place to place. Now what I have learned in this lesson. Animals are living things. They are diverse. They differ from each other. How? Classification of animals. How animals differ from each other? Because animals have different shape, size and color. Animals have different outer covering as scale, fur, shell and feather. They are the outer covering of animals. Scale, fur, shell and feather. So which animals use scale? Snake. Fur. Which animals have fur on their body? As polar bear, they have fur. Shell as tortoise, snake, snail have fur on their body. Feathers, birds. Food habits. So herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. According to food habits, animals are divided herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So what are herbivores? Animals who eat plant and plant products as grass, fruits, vegetable. They are herbivores. And omnivores, animals who eat both flesh and plants. They are called omnivores. And carnivores, animals those who eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. And some animals move by their body. So here some science words are written as diversity, feathers, temperature, shell, scale, fins, flippers, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs. They are the different science words that we are using in this lesson. Now I am going to explain MCQs of lesson number 4. So first of all, what is the first question? Human skin is covered with sand, water, hair and air. So human skin covered with hair. Next is fishes live in water, tree, land, sky. So fishes live in water. Animals move about to look for. Animals move for food one place to another place. So study the following table. Animals are grouped on the basis of their spider, ant, crab, housefly, mosquito and bird. So how they are classified? So we can see that body movement. As spider, ant, crab, housefly, mosquito, they all are insects. So they have same outer covering, but spider, ant, crab, they cannot fly and housefly can fly. So these are the 4th questions. Now thank you very much all.